everyone! So today we're opening up 2 Boxycharm boxes, and is it just me, or is the base box like extra teeny? Is this the old box? Like the font's different a little bit? Like it's not bold? I don't know. But we're going to be opening the premium box, which is really exciting. So I did peek in this box and use 2 of the items. It's the ABH Takeover, and then the base box, which I have no idea what's in it, but I did see some thumbnails. I've been watching YouTube again, and it seems like it's an odd box. I can't remember what I chose, if I chose. No, I must have chosen, because I remember what I chose for the ABH box, but I forget, so let's just move on. How about we talk about the box I've already opened, the big one. ABH Takeover box. So I used 2 of the items, and everything in here is from ABH. I like when they do these takeover boxes. So I will link Boxycharm down below. The premium box is $35, and the base box is $25. And I mean, if every box is like this one, it's totally worth it. So, oh, and it's Norvina, not just ABH Takeover. But I mean, everything else is ABH. I don't know, whatever. But purple, like totally her thing, right? Norvina's. So the palette I chose, since I already mentioned it, is this one right here. There were 2 options. I don't know if they just numbered, you know, like this is volume 1. I think they just came out with a volume 5, didn't they? It's like lilac, so it's kind of like this one, but I was torn. I'm like, what one do I want? I'm like, okay, I love purples. I used this palette last night. I didn't film, and it was like what you would expect from this palette. It was like purple and pink look. It was totally girly, but I love how versatile this palette is because today, like, it's totally like oranges and yellows. I had to use these mustard yellows. I wish I took a picture last time. I'm trying to think if I took a selfie. Probably not. But yeah, I think this is great. At first, when I was just like swatching it and stuff before I put it on my eyes, I was like, meh. But I think it really does come together. Oh, it looks kind of, maybe my eyes were watering earlier and kind of messed up a little bit, but it's still not too bad for that. But I really like this a lot. And I would never pay $60, well, for like anything, but this palette is $60. So almost double the price of the box. So awesome. And then we got a brow pencil. It's not the Brow Wiz, it's the Brow Definer. And I got it in soft brown, so they went off my profile because I'm pretty sure I didn't choose this. And I like it. I think it's a good match. And it's a little bit of a thicker, so mature tip than the Brow Wiz, but it's like more triangular or something, but it's really easy to use really quickly. Happy to have it because I think this is expensive too. How much is this? 20 something? Yeah, $23. I wouldn't pay for anything right now, but there's still like a decent amount left. So I've tried this before and I really like it. I haven't really used setting spray in a while, but this is the Dewy Set setting spray, and I love a dewy look. I usually just get that naturally, sweating, doing whatever, like nothing. Just kind of get that here in Florida, and I'm happy to have that again. And it's pretty too. Let's look at it because I'm gonna keep this. I think. I don't know. I think I might sell some things from the box. I do pay for Boxycharm myself. But isn't this pretty? I love it. And how much is that? Like everything in here is pretty expensive because ABH. When I first got into makeup, ABH was like my brand. I wanted to collect everything, and then boom, all the Norvina palettes and everything. Has anyone tried the new palette? I heard a lot of people like it. I watched like one YouTube video. But we got their loose setting powder. Is this in translucent? Lightweight loose powder for setting makeup in place. Yeah, translucent. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I don't really wear powder anymore. But I kind of want to try it. But like, I have a bunch open already. I don't know why I'm showing you. Like, they all look the same. But yeah, I'm not going to try it or swatch it. Probably much else unless I know I'm going to keep it. Like this loose highlighter. I don't think it will work for my very pale skin tone. And I never ever reach for loose highlighters, but I'm kind of curious. But I don't think this one will work. It's in the shade Vegas. Because I peeked at it last night. Let me look again. But if anyone out there has a skin tone like me, like white, pretty much, right? This is like goldish. Like, I can't wear this. I should pass this on. It looks pretty. Like, I could be like, oh, well, let's put it on my eyes. Yeah, like those like 75 eyeshadow palettes you never do that with. I'm going to do a declutter. It might be on another channel. I haven't decided yet. But was that everything? Oh no, there's a brush that's in my lap. We got a domed kabuki brush, the A30 Pro brush. I never use face brushes, but I do use foundations. I was gonna be like liquid stuff in my face. So I might try this or pass this on. I'm not sure. I've never tried their brushes besides what comes inside the palettes, which there isn't one. I just say this too. The ABH palette, the Norvina Volume 1. I love this kind of palette. Like the mirror sits up, it's huge. Let's say hi. So you can sit there and do all your makeup with it. It'll make me more likely to grab for it. I love how it's like that. I mean, it's probably plastic that's wasteful and whatever, but I like the setup of it. It like makes you feel like you're getting something like nicer too when you're paying that much money. And the mirror is good quality. So I can't wait to dive into like some of these other shades. You can get so many different looks from this. I can see why it's a pro palette, and the mattes are very pigmented but easy to work with, I'd say. So yeah, I am happy with this. This is like a lone man for me, and the eyebrow pencil, the mist. Even if I don't keep anything else, I think overall it was definitely a good box. You guys have to let me know what you think, of course. But now let's move on to the base box. Let's see why it's so bizarre and why it's so teeny. Is this the little box? Why do I care about that? Where is this? I was gonna try to do this with one take and not have to edit. Maybe I still will. Someone watching this will be like, hurry up. I'm finally feeling okay to film. I slept for like a week, you guys. Fantasy is the theme. Another brow pencil. Still don't remember what I chose. Fantasy. I wish we still had variation numbers besides badass. I still like the BA there, even though that just means base. So the brow product, I don't mind getting it because I actually use these and go through them. And this one's good. This is definitely darker than the other one, but this is by Billion Dollar Brows, and this is in taupe. It's like their universal taupe, so depending on how much pressure you put down on it, it gets darker. So it could be a little dark on me sometimes, but I kind of like that look, like light hair and dark brows. I don't know, I change it. Really, I just use whatever is in front of me. What's this? We've been getting this company. I have their Sage Mist. The Lifestyle Company, is this? No, it might be in the other room, but the Lifestyle Company was the one that had that Sage Mist from Boxycharm, right? But this is their Detox Hair Serum. Nutrient Plant Scalp Treatment. Oh, wait, if it just said that, but it was a detox, I'm like, detox your hair? I guess, yeah, your skin. Neem oil. Conditions your scalp, reduces dandruff. Argan oil supports and strengthens hair follicles. Okay, cool. I've been trying to improve my hair quality. It just seems unhealthy, even though I never use heat or anything. I don't know. Took hair supplements. I was taking biotin for a while, besides like for a week too. I just feel my hair needs some love. So I will use this for sure. I don't know why I gave it like a frowny face at first. I'm sure someone caught that. Moving on. I still don't recognize any of these things like choice. Mud mask, or yeah, is it Mud Masky? I knew there was a Y somewhere in there. The vitamin infused eye serum reduces dark circles. Okay, but what about the puffiness? Moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. Okay. This is freaking huge for your eyes, but I mean that's good if you don't have any eye creams. But I have like 700, so I'll probably pass this on. Because I don't get dark under my eyes, I just get plump. Plump. I don't think that's how you call it, but moving on, we have by Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter in French Pearl. I have their blush, like in the plumping formula. I like it when I'm actually doing eye looks like this, like orangey looks. It's really pigmented and dark, but I just have to do a teeny tiny bit, and I do like that. This looks pretty. I'll probably keep this one. I want it, but I do use liquid products, but I think I just got one just like this. Damn it. I gotta keep something for myself. Make me feel good. I'm looking up. I'm gonna keep something for myself. There's like a million boxes. I have like 50 to open. Oh my god. Not 50, but like 30. I was gonna just do one big video. I'll probably wait till Monday for that. I need to ease into this. Okay. I can't. get it open right now, so maybe that's a sign. No, I'll use the scissors. How are you guys? How is your weekend going? What's new? Sorry, I've been MIA. I'm trying. This is like the best I felt in forever. I'm just doing some like me time stuff, and I was like, I feel good. I'm gonna film, so here I am. I want to smell it. Oh, it actually does smell like fruity. Interesting. I like it. So I guess this is supposed to like make your skin like look more hydrated. Is that why it's called plump? What? I like I said, I have the blush, but I don't really notice that. I just like the color. See, it blends in easily. I think I could use that. Can you even tell? God, I need to get out in the sun. It looks so bright. And the last thing in here, I chose this because I remember being like, I just got a complexion palette. Didn't I? What did I get then? But this is by All Our Cosmetics, the Hydrating Complexion Trio. Hydrating, but it's powder, it looks like. Use a brightening shade to illuminate under the eyes, bronzer shade. So is this like in light though? It just says trio, I guess. Is this like universal? Because I don't know if it'll work for me. Let's get this tape off. God, don't you know it's hard to get the tape off when you have your nails done? Nails done. They're press on. Not press on. Yeah, I guess they're like the gel ones I got in the Walmart box like a season ago. Ooh, I think this could work. The one shade that says pale wear on it. Has anyone tried this that's similar to me or not similar to me? Like, how does this work? Just let me know. Just call me. This guy keeps calling me. Like, he must have just, like... I know this sounds awful, but it makes me feel so good to deny guys from the past that, like, all of a sudden are hitting me up. I know it's him. I'm like, no one calls me. But I'll just end it there. Girl power. I don't know what made me want to do that, but anyways, thank you guys. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to unbox because that made me feel a lot better. I'm so sorry about the phone. I should just get, okay, there it goes. I hope you guys are well. I'm going to try and keep filming like probably shorter videos at first and then longer videos, like more unboxings, or more mega unboxings to ease into it, because I've got a lot of videos coming. I've got a lot of boxes to open. I wish I should insert a photo. Maybe not. It's kind of embarrassing, but I've got a lot coming. Thank you for your patience and understanding and kind words and well wishes. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys know that I'm so grateful for you every single day. I hope you're well, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.